Hi, my name is Aaron. Design is all around us. In this series, we will learn about human-centered design and how you can create something by thinking about who will use it. This is the third of 5 videos, so if you have not seen the first 2 videos, you can do that here. In our last video, we learned about a process called parts, purposes, and complexities. In parts, purposes, and complexities, you look closely at an object, and by doing that, learn about its design. A hammer has these key parts: head, face, throat, handle, grip, and claw. Each of these parts has a purpose. The head is heavy enough to drive in nails easily. The handle connects the head to the grip. The grip lets you hold the hammer tightly. Let's learn a new thinking routine. When designing an object, we can't just think about the object itself. We also have to think about who will use the object and who will manufacture the object. We call this thought process parts, people, interactions. Let me show you. Here is the hammer from earlier. Let's think about all the people connected to this object. We ask ourselves, who are the people connected to this object? And how do people use this object? There are adults that use it at work or to repair something. There are also kids, just like you, that use the hammer to build projects. Because of the age difference, adults can use heavier hammers than kids. There is also the manufacturer, the people that design and make the hammer. They want to make the hammer cheaply, so it would help them if the throat of the hammer was thinner, so it used less material. I want to give you one more example. I have here a special guest from Youth Robotics team, Team Phoenix. How did you use parts, people, and interactions in your project?
As we were redesigning the glove for spacewalks, we used the parts, people, and interactions thinking routine. The people included the astronaut, the maintenance engineer, and the suit designer. We knew they each had different things they cared about.
Now it's your turn. Take your sketch from last video and ask yourself, who are the people connected to this object, and how do they use it? Add to your sketch anyone you can think of who would use this object.